Today I will show you how to use video footage with your composition in Procreate. Create a rectangular frame for a clipping mask. Make a clipping mask for each layer by duplicating the frame. Now, merge the frame and the video layers. Select all the layers inside the group and place them outside the group. I created an illustration of a girl sitting inside a train, gazing at the scenery outside. Copy, canvas, and paste it. Add more depth to your composition using the brush technique. Once you have created the frame design, it is time to merge all the layers together. Add noise effect and merge that layer as well. Let's do the frame animation. Remember, every layer will be considered as a frame in Procreate. Enable the first frame as background and the last as foreground. Adjust the frame speed to match your vision. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.